Usually, we are using wood planks, tubular, C-channels, or mga improvised na screed boards, no, para sa screeding process. Siyempre, it's very labor-intensive, ang dami natin tao para magawa to, and hindi siya efficient, obviously, no. One tool that you can use to be more efficient is using magnesium horizontal straight edges. Ayan. So, basically, yung haba nito is 3 meters, no. Wow, imagine mo, ang haba-haba niyan, and just one person yung gumagamit nun, no. So, it's lightweight and easy to handle. They provide a straight edge for leveling, ensuring consistency across the surface. They're also durable for long period of use because it's made of magnesium. So basically, it's corrosion resistant. Ayan. Screeding basically is para ma-flatten muna natin, no? Kasi 'di ba, para siyang kumpul-kumpul lang siya ngayon, after placing di pa siya level, 'di ba? So screeding is basically leveling it, no? Just to share, no, during sa experimentation namin, no, just to check kung talagang effective ba talaga itong mga tools na to o hindi, we found out na sa 70 square meter na ginagawa namin, we only use one person again just to do the screeding, no? Nakita mo, no? Very efficient. Since mahaba din yung handle ng straight edge, ang maganda rin dito is that without stepping on the concrete, pwede niyang abutin dahil mahaba yung kanyang handle. Ayan. So, di ba sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, iwasan natin i-disturb yung concrete.